On behalf of our chairman, PDP Ovia Southwest, the coordinator of the governor, and all other leaders of the party, we want to welcome our Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, and his entourage to PDP mega rally. We want to assure the governor and his entourage that PDP is right away a household name in Ovia Southwest. Be rest assured that come rain, sunshine is PDP all the way. And throughout the election is PDP all the way. We want to assure you of victory for all our candidates, right from the chairmanship, the chairmanship candidate and all the councilorship candidates. Because the chairman of the soul we have chosen is a household name, is a sellable candidate. So we are all happy to have him as our candidate.
Honorable Etan Ozamere to speak to his people. Honorable Etan.
PDP! Let us first welcome His Excellency and the entourage of our local government. Ovia Southwest is one of the most powerful local governments in Edo South because a lot of people here in Edo who feel trace our heritage here to Ovia Southwest. And all everybody know that. In the last elections, our House of Assembly elections, we came out and we showed proof to the state that we are in support of the governor. We delivered the PDP House of Assembly candidate to the state. Now we are going for another election, local government elections. The local government council elections, the person wey we dey bring come out, im name na Edosa. Edosa na youth. Edosa na person wey everybody know for this local government. Edosa grow for this inside this local government. He is on ground. And in the last election, na the returning officer wey deliver. So PDP, we show proof to the governor say yes, say youth go fit move on. We will show proof say yes, say we dey with the governor. We will come out in mass on September to come vote that day. PDP, PDP.
We beg our women for the election when they come so. More na support us. If you not do it for us, we will come take everybody. Thank you. I take God beg you. More na hold our chairman. More na vote for our vice chairman. More na vote all our councillors.
Anyway, make I salute everybody. Make I thank you now well. Make I on behalf of Ovia Southwest constituency welcome our working governor, the matter one of Africa. We welcome you, Your Excellency. My people, we are not here. Our state party chairman, they here. Our deputy youth national leader, they here. The council election, now 2nd of September. As una do it for me, I beg, make una do it for Edosa, engineer Edosa. Una know when I did council, now one of the supervising councillor wey do well, na dey supervise health that time when I did council. Na person wey una know, you know dey hide. Na person wey get name, na person wey dey intelligent. All our councillors na person wey we fit say wey dey call vouch for. Wey we fit say they go fit do this one, they no go fit do this one. Abeg, make una do am for us. Or come September 2nd, make all of us come out, make una no fear.
Me and the constitution of our party, and with the approval of the leader of our party and governor of the state, this is my singular honor and privilege to hand over this flag of authority to our candidate for the forthcoming 2nd of September local government elections, Honorable Edosa, with all his councillors here present. May I now, with all sense of humility, invite the leader of our party and the governor of the state, His Excellency Godwin Nogegase Obaseki. This one, una know na better man, na good man, you go help una. Una know am, me know am more. I know am personal. He don work with me for a long time. Na good man, na sensible person, intelligent, young, energetic. Make una help me, make sure, say when I bring am, and this woman, una know her? Yes. Una know blessing? Yes. Blessing a better woman, no? Yes. Of course. He dey work for our community. Yes. If you say enter fire, they enter fire for you sometimes. But not dey burn. Today, I come see una. I can't campaign with una. I can't tell una say many things there when we want to do for Ovia Southwest. That College of Agriculture now the first. Make it clear for the governor. But una not say I not fit dey Benin government house. Make sure they see everything when we go do here. Impossible? No. That's why I need a reliable chairman. Chairman when no go chop money. Yes. Chairman when be youth. Yes. When go take care of the youths. Yes. When go fit tell me say, Governor, we're supposed to do this here. We're supposed to take care of this. We're supposed to do this. I need somebody like that. Because when I get that kind of person, progress will come. Yes. Development will come. Yes. And we're not lucky. Because this is not the person. Yeah. This is not the person. This is not the person. And this person. And this person, he can't get blessing. This person, he gets blessing. Not be blessing, he gets. This not be blessing. God don't bless you now. Amen. I don't say anymore. Because everything don't settle. Yes. Now make him talk to una, make him tell una what you go do for una. Oh yeah, Chairman.
In fact, Your Excellency, I am very humbled. I don't know where to start, but I know say surely we go finish somewhere. Abi? And where we go finish now Odua for Ovia Southwest. Where we go finish now Odua for Ovia Southwest.
Amen.
The work wey dey ground not be only my own. As all of us don gather here today, say una go support me, give me the mandate. Come September 2nd. Now so I go come meet all of una one by one. Meet una for una community. Because the way we want to rule council by the grace of God now collaborative government. Where the people go tell us what they want. And by the grace of God we go do it. Your Excellency, today I want to on their behalf tell you. If they tell me what they want and the big pass council, I go carry the committee for office. We go come beg you, may you do it for us. Ovia Southwest today, now the date where we born Odua. Yes. And by the grace of God, Odua go take us to the Eldorado. Yeah. Our youth. Oh, yes. Our youth. Yeah. Never get them wrong before. Yeah. No get them wrong this time. Yeah. Our government go dey centered on youth empowerment. Yeah. Our women, you know, go dey left out. Yeah. Ada Ikwaki. And by the grace of God, after we don't do the work una send us, una go by una self clap for us, say we try. Yeah. Una go still contact governor, say the children where you bring come give us, may they come work for us, they try. Yes, and na so we go do them in Jesus' name.
Today is the opening campaign in Ovia North for local government election. We are all here today. We want to assure the governor that his coming will not be a disgrace. Ovia North is prepared already.
Zamere to speak to his people. I thank every one of us, especially His Excellency, the Governor of the state, Governor Obaseki and his entourage, for finding time to come to Ovia North to identify with us. Even if the governor did not come, would have still delivered, isn't it? Yes. Now he has come now, he has added advantages, isn't it? Yes. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the people that have been carefully selected are our choice. Everybody that's on the ballot of PDP in Ovia North has been endorsed by the leadership of this Ovia North. Therefore, I urge every one of us on the 2nd, go and vote for PDP. Where May God bless every one of us.
Oga, come. That song we won't hear that. That Mune Joker.
Well, a lot of people don't know the meaning of Mune Joker. When I came out in 2007, they say, Onana, he's a businessman, a politician, a joker. You know, okay, after a joker. Oh, we game. Oh, you know. Mune Joker. Mune Joker. Mune Joker. Bless you all.
Thank you. May I now call on one of your daughters that represented you in the National Assembly. Honorable Mosade Igbinedion to talk to you.
PDP! Power to the people! Power to our working governor! One thing I want to say today, and I'm sure you will all agree with me, that we are going to give the governor 13/13 in Ovia North. Am I right? Am I right? Are you ready to do that? Because Ovia Northeast normally produces the best results in the state. And that's what we're going to do again. We're going to show the governor that we're ready, and we're going to use this council election to warm up for 2024. Are you ready with me? God bless you. I want to thank you for all your support in the past and what you'll continue to do. And I also want to tell you that we are at tribunal. We did not lose our election, and we're fighting it through to the last. So don't worry, very soon we'll all be smiling. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Just recently, we have voted for 2 people for this Ovia Northeast. Not be so, for House of Assembly. Who they be? Who they be? And who? Who will first give? Charity? Oh, somebody. May I give charity first. The majority leader of the State House of Assembly. Charity, I go about again. PDP! Power to the people! I think I know say now will be the best people for Edo State. Who be the best people for Edo State? PDP, yeah! I beg, as soon as do at that time, when we talk say, let he who knows the law make the law. Una do am, una come make una self dey front of the table. Today, because of that good choice wey una choose, e come be say anywhere they dey talk about Edo State, Ovia Northeast must dey there. So come on the 2nd of September 2023, una go vote 30 people wey go put Ovia Northeast for front for Edo State. Abi? Wetin be dis one I hold for hand? Na dis flag na be the power wey dis our son go take go 2nd of September for election. With the powers conferred on me and with the approval of the leader of our party, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, I hereby hand over this flag, this power, this symbol of authority to our candidate for the council elections coming up on the 2nd of September this year, to Honorable Collins Omewe. The leader of the party, Godwin Obaseki.
Ovia never eats. Ovia don't eat. When I don't eat, Ovia don't eat. I believe. Okay, when I don't eat. Oh yeah, PDP. Power to the people. Power to the youth. Power to the women. Power to the teachers. Power to leaders. Power to you. Power to. When I know this one, una know wetin be name. Na college beliefs. So una know like that. Una know say sabi work. Una know say like una. Una know say go work for una. Una know say I trust am. Oh, so wetin I come do here now? I come beg una, make una vote for am. Because this man will be good chairman. He sabi work. If he no work, I know what to do. I feel hold am. So make una not worry. Trust me. If una trust me, make una vote am. Because when he become chairman of council, una know say I dey Benin, I no fit dey see wetin dey go here. Go on here every day. Now he go be my eye and ear for here. Now he go tell me the road wey no good. Now he go tell me the people wey never chop. Now he go tell me wetin I go do for una. But because I trust am, anything when he tell me, I go believe am. And I go do am for una. So I beg una, September 2nd, una know say the only one party una get from Ovia North. Which party be that? Which party? They say you train a woman. You train a woman. No woman. No man. When I get good chairman, when I get fine vice chairman, what do I want again? I never try for now. I don't over try. Okay. Ovia noticed. I beg you now. These people, when I give them, I select them special. This woman, he don't work with me before as my special advisor. I know him. I know the power when he gets. I know his capacity. I know say he get love for people. So, they could not fall my hand, oh. They could not fall my hand. Could I go work for them? Could I go work? I trust you now. Now, make I ask the chairman. Make him tell you now how I go work for now. Chairman, talk to your people.
PDP! Power to the government! My governor, sir. Ovia people join me to thank the governor for giving me the opportunity to serve as a youth. Most especially the youth of Ovia North. Join me to thank the governor for giving me the opportunity to serve. My governor, sir. I want to assure you that I'm committed and I'm consistent, I'm reliable, that I am ready to work, I'm ready to serve. I want to also assure you that we will not disappoint you, sir. Ovia people, I will not disappoint you people. If the government has created a very good platform for us to work, I have no reason why I will fail you people. In terms of security, the government has done marvelously well. In terms of education, infrastructural development, the government has done so much. With that, we have a good template to start from. My governor, sir, I will not disappoint you. Your Ovia people, we are ready to serve. I am ready to serve you. After, on the 2nd September, we will move from Ward 1 to Ward 13. We will thank you with projects. Thank you, Ovia people.